Arithmetic progressions, exercise 1.1. Fourth question. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So here in the question, arithmetic progression is given. So if the given terms which forms an arithmetic progression, so we have to find the common difference and we have to write the 3 terms in this arithmetic progression. Let us take the first question. 2, 4, 8, 16. The given list of numbers are given. We have to find whether the given list of numbers which forms an AP or not. First let us find the difference. A2 minus A1. A2 is 4 minus A1 is 2. So which is equal to 2. Then A3 minus A2. So A3 is 8. A3 minus A2. So here A3 minus A2 is equal to 8 minus 4. So third term is 8 and the second term is 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So if you see the difference, 4 minus 2 is 2 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So here the common difference is not same. Here the common difference is 2 and here the common difference is 4. So here the given list of numbers which does not form an AP because the common difference is not constant. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, but here they have added 4 here. That's why 4 plus 4 is 8. Again 8 plus 8 is 16. So this is not an arithmetic progression. So to form an arithmetic progression, the common difference must be same. If the common difference is not same, that's why we can write A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. So here the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Next question. Question number 2. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. So here the given list of numbers. We have to find whether the given list of numbers which forms an AP or not. So to check this one, let us find A2 minus A1. So this is the second term minus first term. A2 minus A1. So here A2 is 5 by 2 minus first term A1 is equal to 2. So you subtract 5 by 2 minus 2. So you take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators 2 and 1 is 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 5s are 5 minus 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 by 2. Next, you take the difference of the third term and the second term. So A3 minus A2. So A3 minus A2 is equal to A3 is 3 minus A2. A2 is 5 by 2. So let us take the LCM of the denominators. 1 and 2 is 2. So 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So here 6 minus LCM 2 1s are 2, 1 5s are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 by 2. So the common difference is 1 by 2. Similarly, find A4 minus A3. So A4 minus A3 is equal to 7 by 2 minus 3 by 3. So here also the LCM of the denominators 2 and 1 is 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 7s are 7 minus 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So here it is 6. Therefore 7 minus 6 is 1 by 2. 7 minus 6 is 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2. So if you see the common difference of A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2 and A4 minus A3, here the common difference is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So if you take A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, the common difference of all these three are equal. Therefore we can write A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2, so which is equal to A4 minus A3, which is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the common difference is same. So the given list of numbers which forms an AP. So the given list of numbers which forms an AP and the common difference is equal to 1 by 2. and we have to write the 3 terms in this arithmetic progression. So we have to write the next 3 terms in this arithmetic progression. Therefore, so here the last term is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 plus half. So 7 by 2 plus half becomes 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. 8 by 2 is 4. Then next term is, after this term we can write 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So which gives rise to 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to, so here we get the numerator is, here we get is here 8 by 2. So here we will get 8 by 2. So this 8 by 2 is 4. So here 8 by 2 is 4. Again for this we add 1 by 2 because 1 by 2 is the common difference. So you add 1 by 2, again you add 1 by 2, then what you will get? So if you will get, so here the numerator is 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is the next term. Again for this one, so if you add these two you will get 9 by 2. So for this 9 by 2, again you add 1 by 2. So 9 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So what you will get? 9 by 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. So these are the next 3 terms in this arithmetic progression. So nothing is there. So this is the 4th term. How to find the next 3 terms? So 7 by 2 plus half. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 8 by 2. So this is the next term. Again for this 8 by 2 you add 1 by 2. So you will get 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 by 2. Again for this you add half. So you will get 10 by 2. So 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. So 10 divided by 2. So 10 by 2. So we can cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 4, 9 by 2 and 5 are the next 3 terms in this arithmetic progression. Okay, let us move to next problem. Third problem. Minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 7 by 2. Here the list of numbers are given. You have to check whether the given list of numbers which forms an AP or not. So to check the given list of numbers which forms an AP or not, first we have to find the common difference. A2 minus A1, then A3 minus A2. You have to subtract. Then A4 minus A3. So this is the third term. So A1 is the first term, A2 is the second term, A3 is the third term, A4 is the fourth term. Therefore A2 minus A1, minus 3 by 2 minus this minus as it is, then A1 is minus 1 by 2. So minus 3 by 2, this minus into minus which forms plus. So we have written plus here. So minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1.2. So if you subtract, so minus 3.2, minus 3.2, then minus 3.2, 1.2. So you subtract 1.2. So if you subtract, what you will get? So here it is plus, then you subtract. So 2 minus 2 will go 0. 3 minus 2 minus 1 is 2, and the bigger number sign is minus. So minus 2.0. So minus 2. We have written here minus 2 like this. Similarly, then A3 minus A2. A3 is, here the third term is minus 5 by 2 minus of 3 by 2. So you multiply the sign, minus and minus is plus. Then minus 5 by 5.2 plus 3.2. So you subtract, you will get plus 2. You will get minus 2. So 5.2 plus 3.2 is minus 2. Similarly, A4 minus A3. Fourth term is minus 7.2 minus third term is minus 5.2. So you multiply here, minus into minus is plus. So minus 7.2 minus 7.2 minus into minus is plus 5.2. So you subtract, similarly you will get minus 2. So here the common difference is same. So the given list of numbers which forms an AP, and the common difference of these numbers is d is equal to -2. So similarly you add -2 to the succeeding terms. So -7.2 minus 2 is -9.2. So already -7.2 is there as fourth term. So for this -7.2, so you add -2 as common difference. -2 means 2.0, -2.0. So what you will get then? So you add these two, so you will get 2. Then -7 minus 2 is -9. So this is -9. So this is -9, -9.2. So this is -9.2. So -9.2, again you add -2, you will get 11.2. Again you add -2, you will get -13.2. So -9.2, -11.2 and -13.2 are the next three terms of this arithmetic progression.